what is a comfort zone? That is our topic for today's The Educator Daily Show, and how to build new comfort zones. Welcoming all to a brand new episode of The Educator Daily Show. So the literal meaning of comfort, if you are googling, you will get a state of physical ease and freedom from pain or constraint. So 4 key words we can understand from this particular definition: ease, freedom, pain and constraint. So when we are going to decode what exactly is comfort zone, these 4 words we will use alternatively. Let's dig further into this particular topic, that is finding our comfort zone. So what is my comfort zone or what is your comfort zone? So locating this particular zone is important, because then only we will be able to create new comfort zones. And why we need to create new comfort zones? Because in these zones we are comfortable, we can earn, we can gain, and we can build our own kingdom or our own place of birth and victory and our success, our own region. My comfort zone or your comfort zone is where you are effortless, where all you able to find yourself effortless, gain something without putting much effort. Even if you are putting the effort, you are ignorant of the effort you are putting, meaning you are feeling that ease, and through this ease you are gaining. So this is first symptom or the first criteria where you can find your comfort zone, where you are effortless. The second is where you are fearless. We know fear is an important factor in most of the cases. Even the success need to have certain amount of fear, but where you are fearless, this is the classic example of your comfort zone. You might have felt it in some area of your life or your work. You might have been in that fearless mode, and you are able to score huge amount of points there. You are gaining so much thing without even thinking much. So the fear factor is nowhere. You don't have to do any fear management, meaning you are in that zone where you are fearless. Of course, this is the comfort zone. Now the third is where you are confident, meaning confidence is another criteria where you can find your comfort zone. So in this comfort zone, you are able to express yourself with confidence. As we understood before, this is a place of ease, place of freedom, so that confidence comes, it builds within. You are able to propagate the confidence. So where you are able to find your confidence, that is your comfort zone. Now the fourth point is where you are knowledged, meaning you are not at all ignorant. You are recognizing the pattern, you are able to understand the things, you are feeling that ease and freedom because you are knowledged. So where you are knowledged, that is zone for you to be comforted, meaning another comfort zone. Fifth is where you are competent, that is the comfort zone. We know competency is something where you are able to compete with others, maybe in parameters which are comparable, and you are able to score much above from others. So when you are compared with equal players, you are able to score more. So where you are competent, that is your comfort zone. So friends, these are 5 questions to locate your comfort zone. In my personal website mujibpatla.com, we have discussed this particular topic in a different manner, where we are using 5 different circles, and intersection of these 5 circles is giving no comfort zone, or rather we will say the comfort zone. If you are really interested, you can visit website also. Now after understanding what is exactly my comfort zone or what is exactly your comfort zone, next topic is how to create new comfort zone. So before going to this particular topic, we should understand why we need to create new comfort zones. Because comfort zones are the place where we are comforted, where we are feeling the ease, where we are able to feel the freedom, so that we are no more feeling the pain or constraint. So we are able to express ourselves so that we can gain maximum with happiness. Which all are the 5 factors. The first one, as we already discussed, where you are finding yourself effortless, is a zone. So from there we are taking that word effort. The first factor is, of course, effort you are able to put, then you are going to create a new comfort zone. So through this comfort zone you are able to learn new things, gain new skills. So you have to put your effort. Now the second factor is courage. But if you are understanding the question where you are fearless, from there we are taking the fear part. So to confront the fear you should have the courage. So courage is the next factor to build a new comfort zone. The third factor is, of course, confidence. We already discussed. Comfort zone is a place where you are able to find your confidence. So where you are confident, that is your comfort zone. So if you want to build a new comfort zone, of course you should be having confidence. Fourth point is absence of ignorance, meaning the knowledge. You should be knowledgeable about new things. To find comfort zone in that area, you should be able to gather the skill set to demonstrate your comfort in that area. So to create a new comfort zone, of course you should have knowledge. The fifth and the last point is about the competency, because we already discussed my comfort zone is where I am finding my competency. If you are able to compete with similar players with comparable parameters, of course you are building new comfort zone. So competency is another vital factor to build a new comfort zone. So friends, these are the 5 ingredients to build a new comfort zone. So next time if you are finding yourself tied up in certain comfort zone, first you should understand what exactly causing you to build that comfort zone. Once upon a time, this comfort zone was a place you were not at all there, and you put effort, you put some courage, already built that confidence, you gained the knowledge, you were able to compete to reach particular comfort zone. So next time if you want to build a new comfort zone, of course you should find all these 5 factors again and you should fight back. If you have any question, please feel free to put in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.